Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Mobilock Pro for iOS. In this video, we will cover the branding part, that is, how to create a branding for your iOS devices and how to apply them on the devices. The option to create a branding is under Device Management Branding. Now, before you create a branding, we assume that you have already created an iOS profile and you have a device that is enrolled to your account. With that, let's go ahead and click on branding. When you click on branding, if there are no brands, you would see a page like this. You can click on create new brand to proceed ahead. Now, because Mobilock Pro supports both Android and iOS, the options are divided into three: General, Android, and iOS. To start with, give your brand a name. You can choose to set as default brand so that in future, if you create any profiles, this would be set as the default brand. For now, I'll leave that as blank. I'll go ahead and enter a lock screen message. The lock screen message is ideally a 255 character message, but we have not put any limit. Beyond 255 characters, it doesn't look properly on the device. Let me enter a message. Now, let me skip the Android part and go to the iOS part. Here, you have two options. One, you can choose a home wallpaper and a wallpaper for lock screen, or both. Now, let me choose a home screen wallpaper. So this is how my home screen wallpaper looks. Let me upload a lock screen wallpaper. Now, I have uploaded a lock screen wallpaper. You can click here to see how the preview looks. This is how it will look, with the message on the lock screen and on the home screen. Here we have just shown our app as the default app that is visible. On the device, you would see all the other apps that are applied on the profile. With that, let me go ahead and save the brand. Once the brand is saved, it will appear under the list of branding once you go to the branding part. From here, you can apply the brand. You can edit the brand or delete or make it as your default brand. Now, when you click on apply brand, you would see the various device profiles and the devices. On iOS, you cannot apply a brand directly to devices. You would have to apply it to a profile. Now, this is one way of applying a brand. Let me go ahead and apply this brand to my device. Let me launch the device to see what happens on the device. The brand will be pushed as a manual push to the device with the raw data of the wallpaper, and hence on the device it is not very instant that the wallpaper appears. It takes a little bit of time for the wallpaper to appear. Now, as you could see, my wallpaper got updated. Now if I press the lock screen, you could see the message that I gave and the wallpaper specific icon that I have here. Now, this is one of the ways where you can apply the wallpaper. The other mechanism is you can go to device profiles, edit the wallpaper that you would like to, go to the brand app order section, select the brand that you would want to, click on next and click on update profile. This is another method to apply your wallpaper or a custom branding to your device. This explains the branding part that is offered by Mobilock. Thank you.